Wiki wiki.
Hi, good morning.
Oh, you look beautiful. You ready for another adventure?
Yes, I always prepared.
Oh, you look beautiful, honey.
Thank you, honey.
Honey, wiki wiki. Wiki wiki.
I'm sleeping still.
What? Come on,
It's
there's
too
a whole world
early.
of adventure out there to be had.
It's too early, honey.
Oh, okay.
Go back to sleep. Don't disturb me.
If you're going to be spending any amount of time on Maafushi, you're going to need to stock up on a few odds and ends. There are a lot of little tiny shops scattered throughout the island, but we found one that became our personal favorite. So we've been to a lot of these stores here in town, and prices range quite dramatically. This store we'll show you when we get outside. I don't want to obviously vlog inside the store, but I will tell you this: if you are in Maafushi and you're just looking for drinks, water, anything, this is the best prices that we've seen so far on everything.
Arenas.
Yeah, we'll show you where it is and sort of approximately where it is and the name of the store here once we get out.
Didn't we bought here the hanger?
Oh, that's right, we bought the coat hangers.
Tell them how
We bought the coat hangers.
hanger because we don't want to do laundry in a laundromat because
Yes.
it's like 10 times double the price, and we've tried one, but it's not really that clean and not really like what we have in the Philippines, or probably like what they have in Canada. So I'm a Filipina, so I said spend your money.
And what do you got in your hand there?
A laundry soap because I'm doing laundry on and off, which is actually I can do laundry better than them.
Saved us so much money.
Yeah, probably 4 clothes probably gonna cost you 2,000 pesos, and I'm like,
No, it was, we had one load of laundry done here. It's like $2 for a pair of pants, which is about, what?
but like everything, remember, like all the stuff that we have, it's probably gonna few. It's not even like 4 kilos, like how much it's gonna cost us. So, I mean, it's not us that's only doing this. We've seen a lot of people in the hotels who are doing that.
Yeah, no, it's outrageously expensive for laundry here. So any hacks that you can come up with to get around it, one of them is to do your own laundry. I don't do my own laundry, but Tony does a very good job of doing the laundry, so I've let her do that, and she has saved us hundreds of dollars. What's that? Which one?
Is it the chili sauce you want? The Safa chili sauce.
I believe it is, actually. Why don't you grab that?
I see they have baskets. Why am I not seeing the basket?
I don't know they have baskets. Yeah, Arena Fresh Mart, basically the best prices in town. Got a whole bunch of stuff here, pops, water, everything we need. About $8 Canadian. What is what is a dollar? It's 250 pesos, right?
No, 50 pesos.
50 pesos to our dollar?
Yeah,
So that's
8 times 50.
it's 400 pesos. Basically. Water and everything else. Are you hungry? I'm not that hungry. I'm still full from lunch.
Yeah. What? We're not eating yet. It's too early.
Tropical souvenirs. Tropical souvenirs. I think the eye is in the right spot. Somebody didn't check the spelling on that.
Purpose.
On porpoise?
Yeah, marketing strategy.
Porpoise?
You know that Starbucks, whenever you buy Starbucks a coffee, they will have to ask your name, right? And put it in a thing.
Yeah.
So they purposely misspelled it sometimes. You know why?
Why?
Because if it's misspelled, the people will be like, oh, they misspelled my name. Okay, I gotta picture it and post it. So when they post it, they got free advertisement. Have you ever seen a Starbucks advertisement? No, right?
No, not really. Not that you
That's
mention
because
it.
that's how they advertise.
I see. Very crafty.